Here we are with Tuesday tips once more, and this is 5 mistakes you've already made with your band. Number 1, you think your band image is all right, but it's not. You know, we're in the entertainment business. People, like Lemmy said, if you're applying for the job of a rock star, be a rock star. Number 2, you think you need a manager, you don't. The best manager for the first few years is you. You've got to take responsibility. You're the artist, you're the one with the vision, you know where you want to go. Let's stop waiting around for someone with a magic wand to kind of make it all happen. It's going to be a long wait. Let's take charge and manage ourselves. Mistake number 3, you think that you need to play London. You're desperate to play in London. You feel it's some kind of affirmation for the band. It really isn't. The only affirmation that you need is people digging your music. Your people, your fans. It doesn't care if they're from the Shetland Islands or if they're from Skegness or if they're from somewhere else beginning with S. The only affirmation you need is your people, your crowd, listening to your music, your fans, your audience. That's all you need. It doesn't matter if they're in the Shetland Islands or London. Who cares? This is mistake number 4, and it's one that I've made along with nearly everybody I know. We all think we have to release a 12-track album. I think it's just a thing that comes from the past. It comes from the days of vinyl, when that's what you could fit on a vinyl record. And even when we can record CDs, we tend to do it in a vinyl-orientated format, and now we can do anything we want. We still seem stuck in this idea that we have to do 12 tracks on an album. It's very expensive. People often only listen to the first track, and once you've released it, it's already an old album before the week's out. By day 3, once it's released, if it's not into a scene and not into a plan, it's just an old record and people are already looking for the next thing. If you release it on Monday, it's gone by Thursday. So what we're going to do about it? Well, maybe think about other ways of releasing. 1 track at a time, build up to an album, then put the album out, build your fan base over a long period of time, then you can develop the story and develop that relationship with your fans. And number 5, you're not setting high enough standards with your videos. It's easy to sort of look at your own band and apply a different sort of set of criteria to it than the bands that you're actually buying. It's the same thing. You've got to compete with the world's best bands, and you've got to do it on a budget. So you've got to use your creativity to do stuff like very cool videos on an iPhone, for example, that don't cost so much. And it all boils down to the quality of the idea and your ability to pull it off. And don't be afraid, if you've made a video that's a mistake, don't release it. We all do it. Needs a bit of discipline. You look at it and go, do you know what, it isn't great, let's leave it in the can, start again. It's better to do nothing than do something badly. I hope that set of Tuesday tips was useful to you, and good luck with your band project or your solo artist project. And if you need any more help and you want to study with WaterBear and get this kind of help and advice and discussion every day, then come and study with us. You can do a BA Honours degree, or you can even do a Masters. It's entirely possible to do this anywhere in the world by distance learning, or you can hang in Brighton and study in the actual college itself. You can do a mixture of the two. It's very, very flexible. And your college work, your degree, should always fit around the stuff, the cool stuff that you're doing. That is the content of the degree. So the academic side has got to fit around that, not the other way around, because it's all about real world learning.